followed by international intervention, then a new government, then the international stabilization force leaves, and then there's chaos yet again, and then there's another intervention, and this goes on and on and on. It never seems to end. What is the solution for Haiti?
For Haitians to wake up, smell the roses, the Haitian, particularly the Haitian political, business, religious, all elites, and understand that they have to get together, stick to a national plan, and really come together, because no one, you can bring in aid temporarily, but no one is going to be able to fix permanently the Haitian situation for them. Only Haitians and Haitians themselves can fix it. And this is